Welcome to Leads Rank. Ever wondered how typing a website like example.com magically brings you to the right page? Today, we're unraveling the mystery of DNS, Domain Name System, the unsung hero of the Internet. Imagine the Internet as a gigantic city. DNS is the address book that helps you find where everything is located. Instead of memorizing long, confusing IP addresses like 192.02.1, DNS lets you use easy-to-remember names like example.com. Cool, right? Now, DNS isn't just about translating names to numbers. It has different types of records for specific tasks. Let's break them down. First up, the master of the domain name. Think of this as the GPS for IPv4 addresses. It tells your browser where to go when you type a domain name. With the Internet growing, we're running out of IPv4 addresses. That's where AAA records come in. They map domain names to IPv6 addresses, like this. With the Internet growing, we're running out of IPv4 addresses. That's where AAA records come in. They map domain names to IPv6 addresses, like this. Ever sent an email? MX records ensure your message reaches the right mail server. For instance, mailconsultant.com might be where all emails for example.com are delivered. TXT records store text information. They're often used for security, like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, which prevent email fraud and phishing. DNS records point to the servers that hold your DNS information. They're like the librarians of the DNS world. Want to know which domain is linked to an IP address? That's where PTR records come in, flipping DNS to work in reverse. The SOA record holds important admin info, like who to contact if there's an issue. It's the backbone of DNS coordination. SRV records are all about services. Whether it's VoIP or other protocols, SRV ensures the right connections. And last, but not least, the CAA record. It specifies which certificate authorities can issue SSL/TLS certificates for your domain, a must for HTTPS security. Before we wrap up, here are some fun facts about DNS. DNS predates the World Wide Web. It was invented in 1983. There are over 360 million domain names globally. The longest domain name ever registered is 63 characters long. Cool, right? Let us know your favorite fact in the comments. Now you know what DNS is and why it's so important. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.